Hello, my name is Paul. I'm 9 years old, and I'm going to be narrating the new episode of Blue Man That's
Partyzánským chodníkom cez ľadové písmo snehu. Partyzánským chodníkom máj k nám niesol svoju nehu. Smrť hrozila zánikom každej.
I know where else, where everything is super crappy. No, I don't mean this. There we go. Now, before we start, we need some context. So, basically, James got some obscene powers by the gods of the sky and people who basically edit the show. And so, they put the other people in poverty, and now Tyler is his slave. I wonder where the princess asked us is. Yo, it's kind of stupid. Crap, no, Jake! Remember me also,
This really sucks.
Let's go to the old warehouse. Ladies and gentlemen, look. Step 1.
Remember, do not ever jump out of ledge. Punishments may occur, results may vary. Step 2 is to build an electric chair, but except instead of making it so it kills you, make it so it goes and gives you obscene powers for 5 seconds.
You know what to do. Let's go.
What the is happening here? You can't do this. I am a lawyer. Don't do this. Your Honor, I think that they are innocent, but I think that we are going ahead so much that I think I have anxiety to blow up.
What the
What I mean is James is innocent and did what anyone else would do.
Your Honor, I'd like to state something. Finally, our time has come to go up there and get our new thing. Jump. There, wait. Oh, gotta get that down. Oh, I have butterfly. Oh, no. What the hell was that?
Oh no! Our table! It's broken!
Hello, sorry for this episode being so short. I was just on a major time crunch. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.